Hello traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you understand the markets. It's Friday. Woohoo! Friday, the 29th of March to be exact. We made it. As always, guys, we are going to look back at yesterday's trades. Okay, and if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news for today as well. Right, let's get started then. Let's start with yesterday's trades. And the trade that I took yesterday was Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, and we were looking to buy it. Let's go to the day chart. So why were we looking to buy it? Well, as you can see, we are clearly in, and I mean, you can include these. I'm including these highs and lows here, just so you can track structure. That's the structure of this market, but it is very bullish and clearly uptrending. And that's what we need to identify, trend. Okay, it's uptrending. We also had, if I zoom in a little bit, if I can, it's such a big move. We had a bullish candle here, that held at this grey zone. Okay, and the idea was just to take it a little bit further up to this blue line and the next piece of resistance, this grey zone. All right, and that's exactly what happened, guys. And I literally just closed my trade this morning. If you zoom out, you can see why that blue line was my target. This is where we start to see resistance. Okay, so that was the idea, but how did we enter? Well, if we drop down to the H1, it was a H1 entry. Okay, we were looking at this level through here, right? It was an important level. All right, if I zoom in now, you can see price, was building up, reacted at that level, and then finally broke it. Okay, then when it broke it, guys, we got this slight retrace here with these wicks, and I entered in here. Okay, I put my stop below here, the last swing low, and then I looked to take price back up to here. All right, and I roughly got my 1:1. And I've actually just closed 100% of my trade here. Because it's Friday, we're at a very important, this is a weekly resistance level. Normally I let some profit run, but I've closed 100% at this level. All right, but nice trade. We made money, guys. All right. And if you want this trade idea, my entry, my stop loss, my take profit, then I put all of my trades in the VIP Trading Academy, which you can now get for free. So check out the promotion. So that was the trade I took yesterday. And then we was also looking at New Zealand US dollar sells. And this was a trade that I was in from a couple of days ago. If we look at the day chart, again, just identify structure, right? Trend. Okay, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And this is where we were. All right, but clearly in a downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. All right, was in a downtrend, and we just wanted to keep taking this selling pressure lower. If we drop down to the H4, actually let's look at the H1 because that's really been my entry time frame. And again, guys, we had some good entries here. There was this resistance level here, right? But remember, I've been in this trade since over here, right? So there was this resistance level, but you could have got it on this candle, right? As soon as that resistance level breaks, you can enter here. I would put my stop above the swing high and look to take price back down to here, where you get your 1:1. You would still be in this trade, right? But, you would have been in profit. If you wanted to be more aggressive, you could just, like I say, follow H1 structure. And there was this reaction here. This bearish candle, it's before the resistance level. That's why it's an aggressive trade. You could have entered here, put your stop above these last swing highs, and then you would have made money for sure, and taken some profit here. You can see here, guys, as well, it's come back up. It's used what was once support is now resistance. We love this setup, guys. I love this setup more than I love Liverpool FC. Okay, and we'd still be, you'd be nicely in profit right now as well. All right, but New Zealand US dollar, that also, went in the direction we wanted, guys. So all round, very nice trading day yesterday, because I was also in a few US dollar trades and US dollar strength kicked in, which is what we was after. So that was yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy my analysis and my trade ideas every single day, then please come join the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now, smash that notification button, and also smash the like button, guys. Really help support the channel. Thank you very much. So trades for Friday the 29th of March, guys, is important to point out. First of all, happy Easter. It's Good Friday and the world is on holiday, right? So there's going to be a real lack of volume in the market, guys, all right? I'm doing a vid nonetheless because, there are some trades that I'm looking at. I'm going to share them with you, but please remember there's going to be a real lack of volume. The UK's on holiday, America's on holiday, everyone's on holiday. All right, but bear that in mind. But let's take a look at a couple of things that I'm looking at today. Before we do, let me just mention this. So please come and join our trading community. Yeah, we've got like-minded traders just like you, sharing knowledge, ideas, trade ideas. So come join our free Discord. You just need to create a username and we let you in. Simple as that. Also, guys, right now on the VIP Trading Academy, where I give you all of my trade signals, all of my tutorials, and my time, guys, you can ask me questions directly. We now have a promotion running on that. It's free. So check that out in the video description. And finally, if you would like to become a Simply Forex YouTube member, then you can, and there's loads of perks for doing so. So check it all out. It's all in the video description. No live stream today as it's Friday and it's Good Friday. Me and the editor would definitely be down the pub. Right, trades. So first one for today is Euro Canadian dollar, and we are looking to sell this. So why are we looking to sell it? Well, let's just follow structure first and foremost, right? We were in this uptrend. Yeah, and then it become, a little bit choppy. And then at this point, we've been in a downtrend, okay? Especially when we broke this level. And it really broke this level. We did have better than expected Canadian GDP, and this has led to a real bearish candle. All right, but we've broken this level. We're in a downtrend, nice big bearish candle, and a little bit of room to move into. Maybe it'll move, further into this grey zone, but not much room to move into. So bearing that in mind, guys, if we drop down to the H1, and also bearing in mind the strength of that daily candle. So when we have such a bearish candle, I don't expect the market to retrace up to here. Yeah. And then come back down. Yeah. If it does, all right, we've got, we can still trade from this level, but I don't expect that. So I've entered a grey zone here, right? And this is really where, the next, because I want to be with H1 structure. So if it broke out of this box, then I wouldn't be interested anyway. So if price retraces into this box, maybe the moving average 20 catches up, we get a bearish reaction, I will enter and just take price back down to here. But that could still be, 20, 30 pips. So yeah, Euro Canadian sales we're looking at. We're seeing a bit of Euro weakness creep in yesterday. And we're also looking at Euro US dollar. So again, we're looking to sell this. Why are we looking to sell it? Well, structure, first of all. So structurally and trend is in a downtrend, right? We're getting lower highs, lower lows. Okay, we're in a downtrend. And also we had a nice bearish candle that broke this key support level, right? So the idea is just take it down to the next grey zone and area of support. Yeah, again, not rocket science, guys. And this psychological level of 1.0750. All right, so that's the idea to sell it. Let's drop down to let's have a look at the H4. Okay, let's have a look at, so I'm just looking at the H4, you can see this area of support here. And then if we drop down to the H1, yeah, so a couple of ways we can trade this, okay? So first and foremost, right, we get a break of these lows, okay? So price is still in a H1 downtrend. Maybe it does this and we get a break, okay? We can start selling here, take it down to that support level. That's really what I want to see. You could be more aggressive. Let's say price retraces into here or even back at these last H1 highs. You know, we get a bearish reaction. We could start selling here as well. But really, I want to see a break of these lows. Okay. But Euro US dollar, we're looking to sell. And the final trade for today is another US dollar pair, our old faithful, which we've been trading for 12 years now. New Zealand US dollar, right? So look at the day chart. We'll start there. And again, just follow structure. Okay, we are in a downtrend, right? Lower highs, lower lows. We're in a downtrend. And we had a nice bearish candle, not super bearish because of this bottom wick, but bearish enough because the body of this candle broke the lows of these candles. That is a continuation of trend. Okay, so if we zoom out, you can see my next target is this area of resistance here, if not even further back down to here. Okay, and all this support in here. And again, if we drop down to the H4, have a quick look. Yeah, so this is looking good, right? We had this level here. We had a nice bearish candle form at this level. You know, we could potentially come lower. If we look at the H1, yeah, how I'm going to trade this, guys, is two ways, right? If price comes back up into here and we get a nice bearish candle, yeah, I would consider selling this back down to here, where I would take some profit and let some profit run. Or alternatively, guys, you can see, you know, there's a little bit of a area of support here. If I get a nice big bearish candle, break through that level on the H1, I would also start selling. Yeah, take it down to these lows. Yeah, put my stop above here. Would I get 1:1? Maybe just about, you know, take some profit and then let some profit run as well. All right, guys. So, yeah, those are my 3 trade ideas for today. But please remember, it's Good Friday. There's really low volume in the market. And, you know, and that can make price do crazy things. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday, the 29th of March. Good Friday. Happy Easter. And as you can see, the world is on holiday. So, yeah, I mean, United Kingdom's on holiday twice on here. Yeah, so there you go. But there is still some news that you must be aware of. So if we scroll down at 12:30, yeah, these are all London GMT times. We've got core PCE price index, yeah, month on month, year on year. So, you know, this could move, especially when there's low volume, this could really move the US dollar pairs. Also, guys, yeah, we've got Fed Chair Powell speaking as well at 3:30. So there is a bit of news in there that we must be aware of. Maybe if you have some open trades, maybe you're not trading today, but you've got some open trades, need to be careful of this news. All right, guys. So, yeah, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great Easter weekend, and I'll see you soon.